Welcome to Value Tout TV channel. Today, we will talk about how you can make $5,000 monthly on affiliate marketing. Yes, $5,000 monthly. Are you excited? Great, let's get started. Step 1. Select a connected platform. Host. First things first, you need to find a trustworthy and popular affiliate marketing platform. Some great platforms for African audiences include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Commission Junction, and Jumia Marketplace. To get started, simply sign up on these platforms and choose products or services that interest you. Once approved, you can start promoting offers and earn commissions for every sale you generate. Step 2. Design and convert traffic. Your main goal is to drive traffic to your affiliate offers and convert them into buyers. Here are some effective strategies. 1. Use SEO to increase your website's visibility on search engines. 2. Share your affiliate links on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. 3. Attend online marketing conferences, webinars, and join communities focused on affiliate marketing. Step 3. Promote offers and earn money. Now that you have traffic, it's time to promote your offers. Some popular methods include 1. Email marketing to send out regular newsletters with valuable information, exclusive promotions, and discounts. 2. Social media marketing. Use visually appealing graphics and calls to action to promote your offers. 3. Content marketing. Create engaging blog posts, videos, and podcasts that showcase your products or services and drive traffic to your affiliate offers. Let's look at an example. You promote a fitness equipment on Amazon Associates. To drive traffic, you create a video on top 5 home workout routines that you recommend. You optimize your video for search engines and share it on social media platforms. With the help of SEO and social media, your video gets millions of views. People click on your affiliate link and make a purchase, earning you $5,000. There you have it. With dedication, effort, and the right strategies, you can make $5,000 on affiliate marketing within 5 minutes a month. Don't forget to share your success and stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making money online. Subscribe to Value Tout TV channel and share this video with friends.